augmented matrix. So first we write down the augmented matrix. How to write down the augmented matrix? So don't worry about this. First, I think I put a variable a is a augmented matrix. Yeah, they equal. First, we know that first column is equal. First column is also hold on x and x variables, x coefficients. So okay, I think there's a first x is equal to 3. Yeah, put a 3. Then second is no x, so not. Then third, there's no x, so not. Then no x, so not. After that, y minus 6. Then 1, 1, 1. Then 1, 1, 1, 1. And also not. Then set is equal to 1. Then minus 2. And also is equal to minus 3. And finally, the set is 2. Okay, augmented matrix, let's put a small dots. Then 5, 8, 1, 5. This is our first question and answer. What the question is? Write down the augmented matrix for correspond with the following system of linear equations. Yeah. This is first column is called on x coefficients. Then second column is called on y coefficients. Then third column is called on such coefficient, and the last finally is called on the answers of this. Okay. Second question is write down the system of linear equations that corresponds to the following augmented matrix. Write down the system of linear equation. Now, first question is they give linear equations, we write the augmented matrix. Then the second question B is they give augmented matrix, so we write down the linear equations. Okay, first don't worry about it. First column is equal to x, second column is equal to y, then third column is equal to z, fourth question is equal to answers. So 1 is equal to 1x. This is a part. Then write down the b part. B part x plus 2y plus 3z equal 1. Yeah, we got it. Yes, that is the first linear equation. Then second equation is 2x, then 3y, then 4z is equal to 2. Yes, okay. Then third linear equation is 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 3. Okay, you got it. Okay, what is this? You also know. Okay, this is equal to x coefficients, this is equal to y coefficient, this is equal to z coefficient. Okay, this is answer. So write down the system of linear equation that correspond to the following augmented matrix is equal to this is the answer. The third part, find the RREF form of the matrix in part A. So part A is we derive augmented matrix. So we can get we must get the RREF form from the augmented matrix A. So we write down the augmented matrix A, like A is equal to 3 minus 6 1 5 0 1 minus 2 8 0 1 minus 3 1 0 0 2 5. Okay, this is our, we derive the first augmented matrix from the A part question. So we have to RRE form means row reduction form. So when we get RRE form, first we here this get pivot 1, no? Yes, so we have to divide it by 3, row 1 divided by 3. So first we do that, means R1 going to divided by R1 divided by 3. So we get here, this is 1 is equal to pivot, then minus 2, then 1 upon 3, and also 5 upon 3, then not, then other elements are coming with like that, like older than that, 8. So don't worry about the RRE form. That's simple matter. 1 0 0 2 5. Okay, then next operation is, we want to R1, R1, yeah, we construct the pivot, then we should construct here pivot. Okay, we can get 1, but here this is -2. We're going to eliminate this -2. How? This R1 is equal to, R1 going to change R1 plus 2R2. Then also here this is R3. We're going to eliminate this one also. So okay, R3 also going to R3 minus R2. So when we are doing these operations, we get like these metrics. How? Here, let's move on. Then we are doing this, then we are doing operation, we get like the matrix like this: 1 not minus 11 upon 3, 53 upon 3, 1 minus 2, 8, not minus 1 minus 7, not 2, 5. Here this is also not. So we construct two pivots in every column, one pivot, one column, and also here there's another pivot. Here this is -1. We are going to change. Also this is also equal to pivot 1, and also we are going to eliminate these elements: -11 upon 3, -2, 2. So we are going to some operations like this. What the operations is? R1 going to change R1 plus 11 upon 3 R3. Then R2 going to change R2 plus 2 upon R3. Then R4 also going to change R4 minus 2 R3. So we get like this operation. So we can get like matrix like this. How? 1 not 130 upon 3, then not 1 not 22. Okay, then not 1 7, then not -9. After that we have to eliminate this -9, because we going to this diagonal wisely we get 1, and also we get row 4, and also get pivot here like this. -9, no, just 1. So we have to eliminate -9. How to eliminate -9 is equal to R4 going to R4 divided by -9. So we can get matrix like this: 1 1 1 not 130 upon 3, then not 1 not 22, then not 1 7, then not -9. Okay, after that, uh, yeah, that's good. this is also 1. So we get these are pivots. So don't worry about it. Okay, and also we are going to eliminate this. So by some operations like R3 going to R3 minus 7R4, that is 7. Then R2 going to change R2 minus 22 R4. Then R1 also going to R1 minus 130 upon 3 R4. So we get like augmented matrix like this. How? Here 1 not 1 not 1 not 1 not 1. So here this is also, this is X column, this is Y column, this is Z column, this is answer column. So we get, and also this is this is RRAF form. So this is RRAF form. Okay, we can assume X, what the X value, what the Y value, what the Z value, and also okay, this is X column, so X is equal to naught. This is answer column, X is equal to naught. So X equal to naught. Then Y is equal to also naught. There's answer column also gave naught. So Y is equal to naught. And also set is equal to naught. Then finally naught is equal to 1. Finally naught is equal to 1. There's a contradiction. So this system of linear equation has no solution. So this system of linear equation, no solution. Okay, done it. Thank you. So if you want to more like these videos, you please subscribe this channel. This is now math